Hello friends, myself Purunjay Bhavsar.
And myself Pratham Rajput. Let's start the tour, the voyage heading towards the innovation of the new world with me and my colleagues.
Here we are going to show you how the science got linked to us completely, from the basic concept to the complex mechanics.
And the way the scientists had discovered different facts and developed them for our better future.
So get ready for an exciting travel with the students of class 9B and our experiments regarding it.
So here we are ready to go. Are you? Let's go.
By getting detailed information about the scientists and their contribution to human. Here starting up with ancient era. My friends will carry you further. Now we are gonna travel from the invention of wind and fire to the invention of complex machines like aeroplane, ample of specified devices, etc. Here we go. I would like to call my colleagues to give introduction about the male and female scientists at that era.
Good morning to everyone, myself Nandini Jadhav, and today I am going to introduce you to some ancient female scientists. First of all, we have Meneptah. She was from 2700 BCE. She was the first woman doctor in recorded history in ancient Egypt. Here we have more of them. First, Agnes from 1900 BCE. She was in the field of astronomy and natural philosophy. Second, Theano. In 500 BCE, she was a philosopher.
Good morning, my dear friends. I am Hardik Jain. Today I am going to introduce about some scientists of ancient world. Starting with the scientist Archimedes. Archimedes from 287 BC. He was one who founded science of Menelaus and hydrostates, calculated pi preciously, discovered law of exponents, created new geometrical proofs, and many more. Thus, he has his contribution to living world.
Made snake bubble. I have cut mouth of the bottle and applied a soap solution, and now we are going to mix some shampoo in it. And we are now mixing it. Now
my project name is air cooler. We will put some cold water in this and we will close the tin. We will close this cable to the battery.
The name of the experiment is creating vacuum in a glass. First, let's start the procedure. First, I will take some colored water in a plate. Then I will place this coin on it.
Let's review information about the scientists and their inventions made in this era, which made them remarkable in history. For development service and the invention of the science, I would like to share my ideas with my colleagues to share their knowledge with you.
Good morning friends, I am Ishan. Today I am going to introduce about some scientists of middle world whose remarkable contribution make them immortal even today. First, Aryabhat. This held to be a very significant name in human history since he is were so significant such the invention of the formula square pyramidal numbers in 499 AD.
Today I will give you some further introduction about some more scientists in this decade. The Jain mathematician Varsena had discovered integer logarithm, whereas scientists like Alexander, the Menelaus of Alexander, geometry and trigonometry, while the Galen he had contributed biology and anatomy.
So the first procedure to do is we have to pour some water in the plate, and now we have to sprinkle some pepper flakes, and now we have to take a drop of a dishwasher and we have to touch the bottom.
I took the glass and I'm going to add oil, vegetable oil. And now it's time to add vinegar. See the bubble.
So today I have prepared a mini air cooler. This is a plastic container inside which I have kept some of the cubes of ice. Okay, so now I have closed the stand. I have
your most exciting part. We are gonna gear up the speed. So set your seat belts tight. Now we are gonna to enter the 16th-17th century. Here me and my colleagues will now get you introduced to the scientists of 16th to 17th century. Let's now get ready to get introduced to the scientists with their thrilling experiment that make them importable in the history of science 16th to 17th century by the renowned scientists of that era and make trip more exciting by experimenting a few basic experiments. So let's go.
Kiran Patil, and my topic name is 16th-17th century history of female scientists and their contribution. First, Sophia Bra. Sophia Bra was famous scientist from 16th century. She was famous for studies in the homoculture, monochromatic chemistry and mechanical science. But she is best known for her brother assisting her elder brother Jojo Bra, whose astronomical observation led to Jyotish Kepler to determine how planets hit the sun. Let me get you introduced to more famous female scientists of that era. Curie is from 16th century and she had her contribution as alchemist in the field of chemistry. Lorna Malsaro is from in 16th century and she had her contribution as a physician in the field of physics.
Today my project name is homopolar motor. So what actually a homopolar motor is? A homopolar motor is a direct current electric motor with two magnetic poles, the conductor of which always cut in directional lines of magnetic flux by rotating a conductor around a fixed axis.
I have made an obstacle avoiding robot. Motor driver shield and the Arduino board work as the brain of this robot. Ultrasonic sensor work as a sensory organ, and motor and the wheels work as the body parts of this robot. When an obstacle comes in the way of this robot changes its direction without colliding to the obstacle. I have uploaded a code in his Arduino board which helps the robot to recognize the obstacle and to change its direction without colliding to the obstacle. So let's see how does it work. This is an obstacle which I am going to keep in the way of this robot. So let's see how it will work. Now making the robot start. Now you can see friends how it is avoiding the obstacle.
Start with an experiment
and fill it with water.
Add enough quantity of salt into the water. Mix it well. Now take the same egg and put it into the bowl of salted water.
How's the tour going? Is it exciting? So now let's make it more thrilling. Now here you must have experienced the contribution of various scientists with the remarkable experiment in every aspect of our life. Here getting introduced to some more from 17th-18th century, the century full of invention. Heading towards the more entertainment by my friends experimenting a few invention and getting us to introduce to some more. Here we go. To add more entertainment to our small tour, I invite my colleagues to lead us further, so let's go.
atomic theory, which is popularly known as Dalton's atomic theory. Second, George Ohm, he discovered Ohm's law. Third, Joseph Black, he discovered latent heat. And Benjamin Franklin discovered that lightning is an electrical.
Myself, Pavel Richard. Today I am going to make you introduce to the leading scientists of 18th and 19th century. With their remarkable contribution which make them immortal in history. Heading towards the first one is Laura Bass. She is from 18th century, a physician who had contributed in the field of physics. Next one is Maria Curie. She is also from 18th century and made her contribution in the field of astronomy as the first woman scientist to find a comet in 1800. Today, I made a small project. I named it Innovative Me. Let's start with my project. I have made here a wall clock. It is made up of ice cream stick, a broken watch dial, and certain other things. Similarly, I have made up two vases, one made up of thread and another made of ice cream stick. Moving towards the 20th century, let's learn about the scientists and their invention in the 20th century. For this, I would like to invite my friends to explain the male and female scientists and their inventions in the 20th century. To everyone, myself, Mansi Patil from 19. I am here to tell you about some of the female scientists of 20th century who shaped the world. First, we will start with Lisa Goldnagel. She is a female scientist from 20th century and had her contribution in field of astronomy as astronomer. The next is Linda Geber. She is a Nobel Prize holder and in the field of neurology as a neurologist. Then biology. Start the experiment. So first I will put the water. Then I will add the black paper. Now I will take the soap.
Let's start the procedure. First, I will fill the water. Now, I will insert the straw in it. Then, I will inflate the balloon and attach at the top of it. Now, let's see. You can see the foundation of water.
Finally, we have reached at the century that we are living in. That is none other than 21st century. So now, I would like to call my friends to explain about the well-known scientists in this century.
Myself Yashit. Today I am going to introduce some of the famous female scientists from 21st century. Cynthia Cannon. She is a biochemist and oceanicist. Second, Sarah Sagan. Sarah Sagan is an astronomer. She is known for her great work of finding the extrasolar planet like Earth. Third, Katie Emmett. Katie Emmett is a neuroscientist. She is the most prominent neuroscientist for her brain mapping. Thank you.
Good morning friends, I am Atharva. Today I will get you introduced to some well-known names, though they are not truly recognized yet. I'll get you introduced to some special ones. The decade I'm talking about is the 21st century. It is held to be a very important decade in the world as it held inventions in every sector from physics to chemistry, from maths to astronomy. Let's take a note of their remarkable contributions. Humans now created iPods for listening MP3 music instead of using the big CD, DVD, MP3 players. They are very convenient to use. Richard Palmer had discovered energy absorbing D30 plastic Tom Cohen developed the BitTorrent file sharing system from which we can share files from one device to another very easily and very conveniently.
Performing. First, put the balloon in the water. As you can observe that the balloon does not expand. So, in this way, we conclude that the air occupies space. Thank you.
Let it burn. Then we have to quickly.
Hey guys, are you enjoying the tour? We are heading towards the slight end of the video. Now we got introduced the scientists of various centuries with their remarkable contribution that make the immortal and make world full of innovations. Here we got understood how people discover variety of things to make life easier. It was tough journey from wheel to metro trains. But now let us understand the current crisis, hence to make realize what's happening in current world. Let me summon my friend Labdi Jain. So let's take our tour to end with introduction, current crisis.
Good morning friends, myself Labdi Jain. Today I am here to talk about current crisis. Talking about current crisis, the first word comes to mind is COVID-19. In this crisis, we have learned several things, like spending quality time is more important than spending quantitative time. Like playing with nature is as harmful as setting the heart out of the body and trying to survive. Several such lessons have been taught to us in this crisis by environment indirectly. Nature plays a vital role in our life as CPU for computers' intelligence, and nature played extravagant role in the human life. Although we take time to understand it, but we should understand this. In the current crisis, the pandemic had spread all over the world, and this pandemic had drastic change in the human life. But this pandemic highlighted importance in maintaining the balance of nature.
Hello everyone, now it's time to heading towards the conclusion. Myself Disha with my co-host
Gunjan. We have been pleased to make the video and set out the talent box hidden in ourselves in this crisis.
Having a firm feeling of gratitude towards school for arranging such beautiful program.
Next straight we thank Principal Father Thomas, school staff for initiating such program.
Special thanks to all working hands behind this program. On the dais, we would like to extend our thanks for all participants for their cooperative nature.
And our class teacher for her extreme support and all parents taking initiative in supporting us with courage.
Very huge thanks to the viewers to see our video and listen it carefully. Thank you once again everyone. Have a good day. Take care and bye bye.